Okay, I wanted to give you a real quick presentation for how you can actually use a polyline to generate a space. It's actually pretty straightforward in here. You want to make sure that you have the AutoCAD Architecture toolset installed. With that, it includes a tool palette, a design palette in here, and on that design palette, it has a space tool. So you can actually right-click on this tool right here and say Apply Tool Properties to Linework and AEC Objects. Once I do that, then all I have to do is pick the polyline, and then I hit Enter. And then I can say what the cut plane height is going to be, whether I want to specify this on screen, and do I want to keep the layout geometry. In this case, I'm going to keep the polyline. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and that's a space that gets added in there. Now, if you look at the space, it already has some predefined properties in here, but here's where you see things like your height, your width, the type of space that you have included. Sorry, let me get past this real quick. You can slide down here in the toolbar, and you can see there's your length, your base area, your base perimeter, and your base volume. That's all based on the settings that you have here in the Properties palette. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to do. Once you get that done, then you can actually use tags to label this type of stuff. There's some door tags and other stuff in here, but again, with the tool palette, you can actually get this right off of some of the tagging tools. So there's some space types and more space tools that we can get. Let me see if I can find that tagging tool real quick. Room book. I'm a little slow today. You got to bear with me here. So we go back to annotate palettes. So let's go to document real quick. Here we go. Dimensions, callouts, and tags. There it is. So now I can use this room tag. And you were talking about a room tag, BOMO, project based. Again, I just pick this. I come over and select the object, and then there's a tag that gets placed. And so that'll get the information. And you can actually edit this tag to include the area. So it's just a matter of checking the tag's properties and looking at its property set definitions. And there's some other ones that you can probably get off the tool palette. So if I go to more tag tools and open that up, then you get a catalog right here where you can have room and finish tags. And so here's one that's got a whole lot of it here. And you can actually pick this tag in here, room tag with dimensions, with space, whatever you need. Your net and usable areas. All that stuff is a tag that you can do, and you can actually drag and drop from here into the drawing. So let's do that BOMA tag real quick so you can see that one. So if I do BOMA, and I grab that and I place it, again, I'm pulling up this property set definition. It's already there for the space. And so now you see the net area, the usable area. These are all the volumes that are based on the space type. Hopefully this gives you a real quick demonstration of how this works.